Hello, my name is Jay Slocum. I'm the Senior Wildlife Biologist for Water and Environmental Technologies. I would like to wish you a happy National Bird Day, a day to raise awareness for avian species. And today I would like to discuss the greater sage grouse. Greater sage grouse are considered an umbrella species, meaning protecting this species indirectly protects the species that rely on the shortgrass prairie ecosystem. Greater sage grouse breed during the spring in open areas in a sea of sagebrush called leks. Male sage grouse display on these leks, inflating their air sacs, creating a guttural sound for the females to hear, which can be heard from miles away. Greater sage grouse management and protection have been hotly contested for decades. In 2015, the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service determined that the species is not warranted for protection under the Endangered Species Act, thus leaving management under state control. The state created the Montana Sage Grouse Habitat Conservation Program to ensure that populations remain viable. To achieve this, the program protects sagebrush habitat and requires habitat mitigation for projects designated within sage grouse habitat. If you have a development affecting sage grouse habitat and require consultation with the Montana Sage Grouse Habitat Program, please give us a call. Thank you and have a great National Bird Day.